Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Adhay, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. As you read by the title, today we're trying on new products, specifically the collaboration between LESDOMAKEUP and Beauty Creations. Lately, I haven't been into the hype of any new products. Nothing has really caught my attention, if I'm being honest. But this collaboration with Beauty Creations and LESDOMAKEUP, it caught my attention right off the bat. I am very excited to try these products. I will give you my first impressions, my thoughts, my opinions. So if you want to see how these products look, then keep on watching. Thankfully, Beauty Creations has some local stores around the area, and I was able to just go straight to the store and grab these products. I got the 2 lip trios and the 3 lashes. Let me give you a little overview of what my opinions are right off the bat. I like to do that because sometimes I end up surprising myself as what I initially thought and to when I try them on. They do look longer than I imagined them to be, especially Leslie. I thought this one was going to be like shorter than the rest, but it's actually longer. And then CRISTINA is a very dramatic girl. She is stealing the show. And then we have ANAHY. I think this is the longest out of all of the lashes. We'll see how they turn out, because if you know me and if you've been following me, you know that I'm not that girl. I don't use a lot of dramatic lashes. And about the lip trios, I am a little skeptical because I feel they're gonna be light for me, but we'll see. I love the packaging. It's very subtle. Show you guys the swatches. The lip liner, matte liquid lipstick, and then the lipstick. Okay, they look just like that. Okay, so this is the lip liner on its own. You can barely see it. I feel like it's almost similar to my lip color, liquid lipstick. Something I have to point out about the liquid lipsticks is that they feel very silky. They don't feel heavy. The tones are pretty, but I just feel that I would line my lips with a darker lip liner. This is the other one. It's a liquid lipstick and it has a lip gloss and the lip liner. This is pretty. They're very similar. The undertones are a little bit different. I do have to say it glides very smoothly. You can't really see it on me. It's definitely nude vibes, and I'm using the liquid lipstick right on top. The liquid lipstick doesn't feel overpowering. Whoa. This is actually too light for my preference. Maybe my usual lip liner, topping it off with the liquid lipstick, will look amazing. Ooh, the lip gloss is so pretty. So you see, this is not bad, but I feel that I just need a little more depth around my lip. I went ahead and put a darker lip liner, and then I topped it off with my City Lip Trio in the shade Mountain Views. And look at it. It looks very pretty. I low-key want to top it off with the lip gloss and see how it looks. The shade is beautiful. Okay, let's move on to the lashes. Okay, let's start off with the lightest one, the Leslie lashes. I'm going to measure them. As always, I'm using the Lash Glue Duo. For having a lot of volume, they do not feel stiff at all, and I'm loving that. No denying, they are beautiful. They look very nice. I do have to say they are more dramatic than I expect them to be, but they look very pretty. How similar they are to each other. They're about, I would say, 90% similar to each other. And if you know me and if you follow me, I'm very big about that. Next, we're trying CRISTINA, and these lashes have a lot of volume. They are next level, a lot of volume. This is how they look in their package. First off, I'm going to measure them to see if I need to cut them. The price point of the lashes are $8. And they have a 10% discount at checkout, so whoa. Hold on, let me try the other one because I feel, I don't know, I have mixed emotions. And these are Cristina lashes. They are nice, but I don't know. I think they're just a little bit too much for my personal preference. I don't know. I think I'm just not that girl. I am not that girl. They have a lot of volume. I will say the consistency in between the lashes, it is about a 90%. And that is good, because if you have one that's wonky and then the other one that looks great, it is not. The next lashes are ANAHY. These are the lashes that I'm more iffy about, if I'm being completely honest. The length, they're very lengthy. They're very long. But we'll see. Maybe I end up liking them. Who knows? We'll see right now. Okay, let's try ANAHY, which is very similar to my name, which is Adhay. My name is with a D, and ANAHY is with an N. Dios mío, these are very long. They don't look bad. I'm just very shocked of how long they are. Let's put on the other one. Dios mío. They are way too long. Let me warm up to them. I haven't reached the point in my life where I would go out with lashes this long yet. Maybe in the future, maybe, who knows. The shock is basically of me not being used to wearing lashes this long. They look very cute. Trust me, I have seen them on other people and they look stunning. On me, I just feel, I don't know, I need to get used to them. Consistency wise, they are amazing, about an 85 to 90% consistency in between both of them. That is a huge plus because, again, I'm very big about that, but they're very long. They are very long. Can I rock them? Yes or no? Do they look good on me? Do they not? Let me know. Which one is your favorite out of all the 3 lashes that I tried on in this video? I'm curious to know what is the preference of the audience. I'm warming up to these more than I warmed up to the Cristina ones. The Cristina ones, I don't know, those would take longer for me to get used to. Out of the 3 lashes, I really liked Leslie. And I have to admit, I'm warming up to ANAHY quite a lot. And the least out of the 3 would be Cristina. They are not bad. It's just, it's going to take some time for me to get used to it. Or maybe having, you know, eyeshadow and having a whole look, that will seal the deal. The lip trios, the shades are beautiful. Maybe the liners were not the right shade for me. But other than that, pairing the rest of the lip products with another lip liner worked out well for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is always greatly appreciated. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.